Hi, good morning everyone. Good day, and welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I released a video on this channel. So for this episode, we will going to replace or clean our cabin filter for this Ford Territory 2020 model. And as far as I know, this will cover from the release model 2020 and the current model 2022. And at first, if you're going to check the cabin filter location, it is very intimidating since it is under the glove box, and you can see there's a lot of things that you need to remove. But if you're going to watch this video, you're going to realize it is just a very quick and easy changing cleaning process. So let's get it on. So okay guys, let's check the location of the cabin filter of this Ford Territory 2020. So basically it's inside the glove box, and there's a inner portion there that is where the cabin filter is located. So there's these two pins that you need to remove on both sides, and there's a loaded spring loaded string here that is attached inside, and of course this lower panel here that is attached by at least 3 screws that we're going to remove later. So what are the tools that we'll be needing? There is no special tool for this process. So what we have is a flat head screw and a cross top screw that we'll be needing. Well, I have here a short flat head because we'll be needing this to insert inside the glove box. So basically a short one will do, so it's going to be easier for us to remove the pins. So that's it. There is no special tool that we'll be needing for this process. Okay, so first what we need to do is to remove all the things that you have in your glove box for us to have a free space and don't have any clutters. Then first things first, you need to remove the pin inside or this panel here. So I could probably do the removing of the panel here. So it is held by 3 screw and just clips. You can just remove it easily by removing the screw here first. And now we can go through the glove box and remove the pins. By the way, if you have a plastic flathead screw, it's better for us not to scratch the plastic parts. But if you don't have this one, will do. Just do it carefully so that you cannot scratch the plastic parts here. Now you can just twist it clockwise, and you can remove this pin on both ends. The pin. Now it will stoop down, but it will not. You don't have a fully access on the inside until you remove the spring-loaded string in this side. So we need to remove that one. So I'll show you how to remove that one easily. So okay guys, you just need to sit inside the vehicle and spread your legs like this. And just you can open the glove box and put your leg as a support to have an access on this spring-loaded string. So you need to leave some slack on the string and just pull that out on the attachment from here, so you can see I'm giving a little bit of slack from the inside and just pulling out the string easily. So don't be afraid to let this go, because it won't be fully retracted inside. So there's just enough string for you to pull it out later. So you can pull the glove box down. You can just let this one go. It will not be snapped out, since you already removed the supporting panel that we have removed earlier. So it's going to be okay, just like that. So now you have an easy access on the cabin filter, which is located here. So it is secured by 4 screws that you can remove easily. Okay, now we have a full access inside this cabin where the filter is located. So you can just remove the 4 screws that's supporting it. Now you can pull this cover easily without any clip on it. And now there's a cover for the filter itself. It's just attached by these clips, and you can just pinch this out, and the other side will just let go. And now the filter is exposed. This is the cabin filter that we are trying to remove, replace, clean, or anything you want to do with it. So it is secured by this tab. Just pull it out using this tab here carefully, so that not to break this one. This one is I'm not sure how strong this one is, but I just remove it easily, and the filter will just come out smoothly. It is pretty much dirty, so we need to clean this one out. Since I don't have any replacement yet, so I'm just gonna clean this, vacuum, and probably return it this time around. Now this time we need to return the string, that the spring-loaded string that we removed earlier. So again, you just need to pull it out since it's spring-loaded, and you can just put it back on this tab so easily, and there you go. Then we can return these tabs also using our flathead. This time a counterclockwise turn. There you go. You can hear a click. And you can turn this panel here. Just secure it with this again, these clips. Again, we're going to put back this panel here. It's just secured by clips and screws. Just click it, then give it a tap, and then this screws. So guys, it's done and it's easy. You can just take it out very quickly, replacing, cleaning, and whatever you wanted to do with it. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hoping that get something out from it. And well, yeah, see you again later. Thank you for watching.